So when you talk about intermittent fasting, just so that everybody who's watching understands what you're talking about, tell me what a day for you looks like food-wise.
Yeah, so for most days, I eat either in a 6-hour or an 8-hour window. So I eat from 12 to 6, or if it's like a Saturday night and I want to have dinner later, I have it between 12 to 8. Is usually a 6-hour or an 8-hour window.
Before that, and you don't eat after that?
No, I just have either coffee or water or tea, but no caloric intake with it.
And do you count calories?
No, I do not count any calories at all.
Succinctly, what you say is that it's not what we eat, it's when we eat. What do you mean by that?
Yes, and that's true, but I want to clarify, because if you only eat in an 8-hour window, say, but then you just are gorging yourself and overeating.
With Cadbury.
Yes. so there's 10 principles. That's why you have to read the whole book, and you have to look at all the 10 biblical principles and the 10 Chantel Rayway principles.
Well, there you go. It's just the beginning. You're getting the tip of the iceberg. I want you to know Chantel Ray's book is called Waste Away. She's made it happen. It's available where books are sold.